Implied probability. How to spot bookmaker bias in odds. Imagine you're looking at a betting market and wondering if the odds are fair or if the bookmaker might be trying to tilt things in their favor. That's where implied probability comes into play. It's a way to turn odds into a percentage that shows how likely the bookmaker thinks an event is to happen. Knowing this can help you spot if the odds are reasonable or if there's some bias hiding behind them. Let's break down how to do this. If you're looking at American odds, the calculation depends on whether the odds are positive or negative. For negative odds like -150, you take the odds divided by the odds plus 100, then multiply by 100. So, -150 becomes about 61.5%. For positive odds like plus 200, you take 100 divided by the odds plus 100, then multiply by 100, which gives you about 33.3%. If you see decimal odds, it's even simpler. Just take 1 divided by the decimal odds and multiply by 100. For example, if the odds are 2.5, the implied probability is 1 divided by 2.5, which equals 0.4 or 40%. This tells you how the bookmaker views the chance of an event happening based on the odds they set. Now, to spot bias, you need to compare this implied probability to your own estimate of the event's likelihood. Say you think a team has a 70% chance of winning, but the implied probability from the odds is only about 61.5%. That suggests the odds might be undervaluing the team, making it a potentially good bet. On the other hand, if your estimate is lower than the implied probability, the odds might be overestimating the team's chances, and it could be a less attractive wager. Another thing to watch for is the overround or vigorish, which is the bookmaker's built-in profit margin. When you add up the implied probabilities for all possible outcomes, they usually total more than 100%. This extra percentage is how the bookmaker makes money. If you notice a large overround, it might mean the odds are less fair, and the bookmaker has a bigger edge. By understanding how to calculate implied probability and compare it with your own assessment, you can better identify when the odds are fair or if there's some bias at play. This knowledge helps you make smarter decisions and avoid getting caught in odds that favor the bookmaker too heavily.